Oh. Day for 9:40. 9:40. This message, it will be typically for all. It will be typically for all people, the way they take life for people, they take and joke. People, the way they take people their life, they take and joke they. And I want specially talk for this Nigeria artist. That una make una strike for day, una make una strike them for day. We support una. I don't want to say make this government can provoke, because one for provoke for see. Now so they make after they don't win war. They'll provoke. They'll bring the Naira Mali. They are poster this. What they say for you? So Naira Mali. They are poster this. You will be there for your Nigeria. All thing they find for day. Now for Cameroon, where they don't call away, no find say the place where you want can play. The place where gun them they everywhere. You want come destroy, may they kill my population them more than kill. And then they accuse you because you sometimes you know what you don't know. You don't know. Now the people they way they do guy. I don't think that government they behind this thing. They want a provocation. Now provocation because for Bamenda, now the very trap for Bamenda. That picking the day inside some house, they play their small kind thing the way young boy they play. I mean they kinda picking they cry. They should sue them all. Okay, now you want to organize show. No can organize show for Boya. Okay, now for 10 people and say wait, say everything don't be fine no. That means any man fit turn back in no. All things don't be fine. If any I look at me a day for years so now so I don't cry plenty. And no go ever stand again cry for nobody for this world. Any man where he take himself make cocoa, we go pound him make achu soup. Anyhow he did. Yes, because you know if it be when people that the American are so now they talk. Now the past time now for criticize una umbrella them with their own thing the way they do. Past time for criticize. Now an important thing they for talk. If it is show they can make a for boya, people they come out can see this show. You know how many people them they feel come out if they come out for can see this show. If you now they come for day they destroy they keep people there for day in abundance. Who they go cry? Now the people they will organize and where government don't try for pass on their back, make they can organize something for see which if it happen. They take and play tennis ball. They take and play tennis ball. Naira Mali. You are an artist. Yes. Your place to play is not to go and play where there is war. Their place to play is they cannot use you to come and tempt people. It's not possible. There will be better days ahead that you can come and play. But for this moment, nothing can hold, my sister. And I will not be aware of any man where go for that place, where they go kill any man for that place. When I was to say, I don't want to talk now football that they go on for Limbe. Make I tell you now, Limbe na very strategic place. Now just say this government fool for go make that work for Limbe, for go make that tournament for Limbe. Limbe na place a mountain and day. To be very sincere, yes, it be impossible say some kind of thing they fear for Limbe. But Boya, not be strategic. Boya near place where people they feel easily attack them. And I don't feel live and make people they can begin to fool my own population. The people they were kind of my heart. When they will make one I go organize different show. When I can make trade fair. When they will keep people in abundance, when I can take and put them for Amber Boys their name. When I can take and condemn the Amber Boys them. Now the only thing that I want to do for my life, where government will can pay you, you know, fine say this kind of thing if you hope people they will be against. 14th of February. This is it. This is your poster. I just passed Asiam. This is your poster. Where somebody sent that for me. When you go medical and show, okay, you want to take blood for people that take and make a career. You want to take people their blood take and fix your career. Now with people their blood to take and make a success. Why they don't invite you for your own day and do all that side waiting they work out peacefully for day? Why not for Boya? They invite you can play. Where picking for Boya? So they need to make concert for their own place. Where they picking the way they play music for Boya, they need to make concert for their own place. Now you want to make concert because you come on Nigeria, come Cameroon, you want to make concert. Or how will you be innocent? They want to take you take and make. They want to take you take and make country rice. Is it fair? You're in Nigeria, I'm just telling you, remain for your country. Remain for their country. If you not get something for do, remain for their country. Because if any man die, me, I will follow you right up to the last place in this world. Yes. You want to do your promotion, go and do your promotion where you can do your promotion. Even the artists who were born in Boya and unable to make a concert in Boya, you want to come on Nigeria, can't make concert because they don't fool you or now come money they don't give you. You learn a for promotion. Which money they don't give you? Okay, you overlay the Cameroon. When I share this video, I'm telling you people, share this video. Because I think they do a fit talk and fit talk, no one to come. I just leave the sign for me. 14th of February, just in a few days time to come. Who will fit send the brother for go for that kind of place? Who will fit send the Pekin? Who will fit send the uncle? Who will fit send a family member for go attend that kind of concert? Now, Chris, now Chris, now for night. When I did Chris, you never stay with the point for keep picking them when they did for instance house. Small picking them for 17 years. Okay, when I come from now and play with people, they come plenty. I also the government define only means for just can't crush even a 200 English Cameroon. Vous voulez tuer tout le, vous voulez tuer toute la population anglophone. Ça c'est votre secret. Vous envoyez l'argent pour qu'ils organisent des concerts, pour qu'ils font des concerts, pour que les gens sortent chez eux. Et si par malheur, ça c'est parce que les Ambaba se fâchent, il y aura tirement de deux côtés, n'importe comment on va tirer, et beaucoup de morts. Et là, vous allez dire à la communauté internationale que ce sont eux qui sont en train de mettre des ordres. Méfiez-vous si vous ne voulez pas avoir ces problèmes. Méfiez-vous, je vous dis ça encore. Vous devez vous méfier. C'est la vie des gens qui est en danger. Now people their life they in danger. I don't want no dog. No dog, no idiot in him. You can frighten human being them. Because they don't give you small chicken change. They don't buy you small rice and beans. You want to organize concert. We want to organize live in Boya, Cameroon. Una de take una self take and make fools them. Okay, una want try. Me, I need to cry no man again. I need to cry no individual. If anything happen for any, I tell una because me, I get vision. I can see things that you cannot see. Let me just tell you. I can see things that you cannot see. Yes. Una leave the boy as it is, so it's more peaceful for the moment. So una leave the boy as it is, so. Una don't leave the boy as it is for the small peace for the so. Maybe they had the breathe small. Now leave them for that place to the day so. Now you know. Now not go keep worry them. They don't need worriness. Now go make una small migrate them because they don't put some small post them for make una chop small money. Una want to make small migrate them go organize concert. Okay, no, because for now Cameroonian artists they will fear for come. No, I'm not going from Nigeria go take them because they get blood for and they will come lack respect. They will go pay people they make the come for say when I go make and say no na concert they don't make for Isa Boya. How can I disgrace with this one? Now who be this fool themselves? Now they play people their life. They don't burn my village. So inside that Boya, Limbe, Tiko outside, I get families there for them plenty. So make man not try that nonsense. Foolish caricatures. After now, I say I coach. I know coach security. Why if you coach? I the first man for no coach. Now the post at this, I tell you look at the post at this. It be normal. You live in Nigeria. Tell you artist they come out. When they cry whether na sax whether na waiting for that side, we support you now. So make you this girl. I don't know. I respect woman them. Make you this girl. Make you not bring rubbish into our place. Just remain for their country. I tell you, remain for their country. Or you other people they invite you, say, you go make you play for Yaoundé. You can cause misunderstanding inside people in their land. Maria Mali. You get fine music, but this is not the time to come and do this in Boya. This is not the time. Ask the people and say why they invite you, why they need to invite the beginning already for Boya. Why they need to invite the beginning of the want play music. Why being saying that you do go carry for Nigeria make come. But say you come and say you don't play no. Una be very stupid. Una be very stupid. Especially my organized kind of show. Crazy day for your hit. You want to try something, but the two want to try and you know waka. For your sense, you know waka. Some tumbu didn't say sense. Some tumbu didn't say sense. Una man no. They don't provoke me. They don't provoke me. I have nothing again to lose in this world. Yes. If not for mountain, oh, and climb for the mountain. Moja, you say they for mountain, you no get wish. If you see wish, you are get them. You be chief now. If I meet up with a bush for witchcraft, you go no say wish and wish day. Small chief man. Me, Mbangin Joku. You know what you mean, Joku? You know what you mean, Joku? You know what you mean, Joku? Ask back, no man make it tell what you mean, Joku. You carry a small snake, then you work at the fighting people. If you fight my snake, if you fighting snake, you know even see they carry better snake. Small twat. No one can pretend. No one can provoke people there. If you provoke me, the party. If you provoke me, when I say they can't do so, I vex because if it's some people look at we over losses people them and not time for loss another people them. If this government no one taking responsibility for fix this war, we not go be able for the look they made they do the kind of rubbish. They take population, they can threaten them. They can threaten them. When I organize kind of show, it be normal for organization for Boya now. It be normal for organization for Boya. Picking the job for them for Bamenda. Picking them for 17, 16 years. 15 years they come up there in Bamenda. Then now I can organize show. Now can Nigerian artists bring them. Now go bring Peace Square then now. Now go bring Peace Square then. Now they fit come up with better crowd. Now they fit come up better people there. Now go bring Peace Square then. Now go bring una get artists them. I think you name the artists. Now go bring them. Now they will come up better crowd. For sure say yes. Things that happen for Professor Boya. I wanna feel now get the Boya. Chris man. No man. Look at me, no man. No go make me shake again inside that Southwest and Northwest. I go bear this cross until the last day I want to leave this world. Some of you now begin to say we the party. No, English boy. You be English man. You know what you mean for talk say I be English Cameroonian idiot. This is the time to prove that you are from that land, that your blood is bleeding. This is the time. No, that time they come me say na pride. Ma come get na say na pride. No, na pride. No be na pride. Now the dead souls of the innocent one, I worry me now, so now you don't enter me, now you don't shaking me. And I want to let the world know that something happened in my land. People are dying every day. Innocent souls are going. So you cannot come in my country, pretend you want to do a concert, and you leave your own country in peace. You want to come and kill my own people. Look, it will never happen. It will not work. It will not work. It will never work. Idiot them. Now I can organize show. So that they see some, they see price them for entrance for year. They see by 30,000, 50,000, 500. By one on a table them VIP. By VIP then 10,000. Now Chris, now don't Chris. Now I mean no, now can put them in for that hall. We don't want to finish the whole population of Boya. We don't want to finish them. Because the stupid ones, the way they don't be by mayor, they can't they come up and tell us everything is finished. Everything is finished. May they do the become propaganda now. May they become whole Ben Skin that become whole am. Maybe they my party be don't hold am plenty. They can my party be talk say they inside bush, he be rich man. Maybe don't hold am plenty. We not to continue to do the mess. Sick way do cacao, na go do cocoa. Sick way do cacao, na go do cocoa. If na never no make a tell now. Stupidity is them. No one can provoke people them. Okay, now we need the party. Na me another for camping for Boya. Never for camping for Boya. On a salatin, the never made their concert. Now what kind of Nigeria they can bring them so that people can come out after they can kill them. They can't be say no, massa. What would you do? No, we are just doing showbiz. Which type of showbiz? And you can you do showbiz? Can you do showbiz? Tell me where this one be. One and they call that them they can play. One and they call them. Now we don't be. Now I come in and say now we like the population, idiot them, fool them. When I go losses that money, the money not spend and so when I lost that, on I only free now they can do and they. So when I'm Naira Mali, make I tell you one time, Naira Mali, make I tell you one time. If this video reach you, make I tell you one time. The place you are going to play, that is my town, that is my place. And you cannot go and play in that place because I ever can't tell now because I listen plenty but people they call me plenty. People they call me plenty because they not go tell now someone can be they will keep people them plenty. When I take time, the place you are living is not safe. Now if you understand me, now they look at the only thing that I feel do for my life or just for prevent you now. For prevent you now. Yes. And the only thing that I feel do for my life, I for prevent you now. When I forget these people they talk, they not get nothing for do again. If it's something don't pass you, you leave them. It don't pass the government don't know nothing for do. Maybe now you picking them go they for inside Bamenda city, they know they inside bush. They go kill more than 6 they carry. Now one social na buka, una carry iron for skin, una go for concert, go pay money, go see him because okay, he now. He go bring waiting for Boya. He go bring now kind of love. Who can party? Who can play sa Boya? Eh? What did happen with this thing? Ah, okay. This my phone don't get problem. Eh? When they write me now, I need to even see them again. Not gonna change this. Now what you gonna do? I say they don't say una now sell them. So when I see when I begin the die, when I take them for granted, when I take and say, okay, na normal thing, people they must die. Okay, now you don't be and I say, oh man, don't be inside the war. Because now when people then die, you don't finish. Okay, no one now can life. Life when they came out for here, the artists they play for here. Nothing can life no one live. I'm just telling you, Naira Marley. Naira Marley, I don't know you much. We have never met, but let me just tell you, don't go and provoke people who don't want to be provoked. I talk like some minister way, some minister don't goes because Nana S now the biggest intellectual for Cameroon now they add S for all of them because that they limbe I became make a order because said no master I will not go school now big minister I talk now people sees will not come cease into the movements because the shows is not going to take places. Yes, some of the boys who are inside the bushes. They will come houses and they will do things that you will never see in these words. That's on one year, series, idiocies, hermaphrodites, foolishness. Now one can provoke people them. Because my actually don't quiet. Una can provoke man. Una do anything and not provoke me. Una do anything and not provoke me. Not provoke me at all. Because I be that kind of boy way. I like for she don't quiet. I get respect for any man. Bet. When you mash my tail, I be that kind of snake. When you mash my tail, now my head come for you. Now my head come for you, my brother. Nothing shall be done. So Naira Marley, I'm just telling you, this video was for you. You should be very, very, very careful. Very, very, very careful. I don't try for advice my own big brother, them, my own people, them. I dey try for advice that they no 1 year, they see continue with their war, with their quarrel them. For course. Una continue to course on yourself, it go help una. Now me for here na my preoccupation na my population. If I fit bring 1 minute solution where if you help the population, I go help them. Look, I make a tell una, my brother make a tell una. When I begin talk and say, I begin here. Any man where they inside that zone, the way they make small activities them. Limbe, Boya, Bamenda. Una be very careful. At any time, your life can just pass away. I'm telling you, at any time in your life can pass away because sometimes the way you live like fool, forget things that happen for your corner. That country is not safe. Even the government leaders, the way they will get all protection, they fear for stay for the place. Maybe now can't take una say they shan they go on, probably not they. Maybe they go play their shan, bring their Hammers car, carry the players and go. But when something will happen for them, it never finish. The shan never finish. When something will happen, now only our eye they will get her for cry. Because some black ladies will come to say, master, not a channel they play, who's that and day. Maybe not competition for life. Life never not competition. You never compare with your own brother. I need compare with no man. For me, now let's say, man way he like himself, okay, make it protect himself. But man way not like himself, make it continue to go do life the normally. How you want show government saying no matter, we need fear nothing. Look am now when you live where you breeze, they make you think say you be boomer. But after they remove the breeze for your mouth, You did not say you be nothing except of this thing where they cover with the bone them. Nothing. So Naira Marley, I'm just begging you, ask those people who invited you to tell you where are you going to play. Because I have gotten message from people very far away. And they are annoyed about this concert you are going to make. And for me to avoid people to die, I have to come and make this video to tell people you have no right to go. Because what is going to happen there, me, I will not cry. I will open my zone for you, zone me correct because I don't overcry. Compose kind music them where I don't play for now. Make una listen, say things they need to go well. Play kind music them. I don't want to listen now. No one make I do it. I don't go kill myself. Man no go kill himself for this play, my brother. Man no go kill himself for this play, my brother. Yes. Now opposition what day, now for opposition what for tough for now. So the man where you organize the concert, na traitor. Na traitor the organize the concert. Na wishman the organize the concert. Na wishman. What's that? Don't go. Na wishman the organize the concert. Now wishman feel organize the concert. Now wishman. Then they pay them. Listen which way it happen. For them, the one same way it happen. Make Bamenda, Limbe, Boya. Make it just be make the town they get little activity. For them, they look at me, not say Cameroon government not forget time for no human being for this world. You like to stay for Kwakwa, Bole, Konye, other side them. They don't get time for that kind of people them. If it them Limbe, only the president for the republic be talks waiting. Can Yaoundé respi, lo Cameroon respi. That means say if Yaoundé they feel fine. All man, you feel fine. They don't get time for no man. When I see them, maybe they don't keep picking for Bamenda. They don't keep picking for Bamenda no. When I don't see the football player where they play for, football player they play for that that national team of Cameroon. When I don't see they don't give me 1 minute for silence. People that they die for the Bamenda. When I don't see them. Na never see them. So, now for tell when I say they're not getting no damn shit for Gian TV. They're not getting the death of the innocent boys who just died does not concern the French Cameroon at all. And then when I feel say me, I will accept that kind of stupidity. That kind of stupidity. Me, I will accept that kind of stupidity. When I share this video, now on 133 days for you. Any man make 10 share. Make it reach the play one reach because the video more reach play one reach. I tell them share. When I share this video, I share this video. Any man make share. Any man press button share. Yes. Now leave it to where they can talk for you. Now I begin to match for French. Now I say no with the Paris, massa over French. Now I don't kind of. Now I want tell when I say I dare around. When they call me, if you come Cameroon, Cameroon I can country. Cameroon is a country that way if you make Pamaresa, they go for the country. Now who's can country that? I pass the bond man for the wait if I get man for the again. I pass the bond for the wait if you get man for the rubbish. So when they say you can't see in life, okay. If you want try pepper no. Anybody try pepper now for I go listen the result. Anybody try pepper now for I you go listen the result. But when I just did now she done now. Now she done now. Look, my brother. I tell una don't know what it mean. Small war. Now me I know. I don't see kind in them. I don't work at places on people. I don't see stories them. I avoid make many people do not die for that land because the French Cameroon government want provoke. They want provoke anything. Make it provoke the guys there. Make the guys in come. Then they go destroy now. The guys they don't destroy. I tell una. Now only 120 people they see you live. But what today? Now who said this Antuka enemies they must be inside. 120 people there. Maybe una come out step. I want only 2 people. I want only 2 people. People that don't sleep tomorrow now listening. I need people that are listening. If I want people there, if I want many people as possible, I'll make it people to do me as possible. You understand what I tell you? Small dirty dross. You can compare with the party. You don't crazy. You don't chop belly full. You can talk for me. Say now only 120. Which is a different for people them. If I want to fans them or people them can look me. If I want to fans them, I for someone from my side became my fans them. This one an important message. You like it or not, you take it. You like it or not, you take it. You understand? Which is the cafe I can quarrel with you. If now call it, I feel block you say, but now say I'll block you for secret waiting. 131 people. Which is when the kind of people that they look me, I say this people are stupid people in France. And they won't come in life. So one of the kind of people that they look me, good job. Well, Seigneur Jesus Christ. Oh my, who born me for this place? Who born me with this idiot? Kai! I regret my life. Mama me. Like, okay, match you don't quite make the thing go down. Match you don't quite make it go down. Make it go down even for 50. Match you don't quite make it go down for 50. Now make it go down for 50. Make it please the people. Make it even go down for me now let 10 people then they. A message is a message. No matter how many people are connected here, I don't care. I'm talking to those who want to understand me. For those who their ears are open to understand what I am saying. I am saying this 14 for February, when I the one make this on a mommy, this on a mommy P, it no go work. Because say me, if anything happen for any man, when I know can cry say with the party people they die, they drink amimbo. I go drink, my brother. I go drink. Because when I talk, I know one year, I go drink. I talk for una, I go drink. Una get more for talk now. Una go organize and I go no. Una say boys, una say the Amber boys they don't know. Una say they don't know. The people they know because they don't tell me say they know. And they don't tell me say man make this video. Make I take una. And I say make I talk for una. I get to talk for una. Say things will happen in that place. Una be very careful. I know what make things they happen because me I the bleed. I the bleed, my brother. Them. I don't know if you understand. Me I the bleed. My heart the bleed. You understand me what I tell you? My heart the bleed inside. So it be very, very impossible. It be very, very impossible. Yes. Some stupid don't count of years and only 100 people are listening. I need 100 people then. I need 100 people then. What I do 100 people then. They pay me how much? When I tell me they pay me how much, they give me how much, how many money. When I talk 10,000 people, they come before, they give me how many money. You need to give me no money. You need to give me no money. So now the message that I want to tell you to that, I want to tell you say, things that will happen plenty. These people they will bring their strategy them for make una come out, for make una the main normal activity them. But one day will be where that activity they will make plenty people they go die. Now only we will go cry. Now only we will cry. Understand? I don't hate the artist. I like the artist. I don't know who comes to play. I like it. I like artists them because an artist. And it be normal say he can make a show. He can make a normal show. It be normal say he can make a normal show. But imagine say he can make that show for himself, but people then die. Who they go bear the responsibility? Who they go bear? Because the government go deny. The government go deny. The government go talk say they not know nothing about the killers. They killing for the people there. Do I die for Kumba? Do I die for Kumba? So to know that they don't talk to who then kill them. If you know in the international community don't put pressure for say they talk say at least now they kill Gabu, now they kill people for Gabu, now them, now at least because international people they talk, now they kill people for Gabu. The who for know, no man no for know. So at the baby now, all boya, we not forget we the party. Now be compact and behave now. Now be that compact and behave. Compact and behave. Now me I make all that trade fair them for that years and we don't pass. Not today where I start this thing. I be artist. I not only come I not come be artist. I was born an artist. Since mommy belly, I've been an artist. I've been an artist. Nowadays I need fear. I need fear no man. Yeah. So when the other say no master, we the party take care now. Your fans them. Your fans them. Master, you go lost your fans them. Who's fans them? Who's fans them? Be important past the people that they die. Who's fans them? Who's fans them? Chris or your hate say fans them. Oh, it just say some man they like you now because you too be kind. Man like you now because of your talent. Man like now which way you produce. Man not like yourself. Understand? Man no can pretend to like you. Man like now which way you produce. If you do that, I stop for people in the party. No man no go like me. If you are not the producing the way people like, no man no go like me. I got to produce things the way people like them. For some make you like me. Understand? Can't face me the party massa. You can you don't make them. The first people they support you, don't leave you up. May they leave me. Who be them first? Where them they? I the first see them for I. You want to like me now for security. You want to like me now for security. Why you get right for like me? Why you get right for like me? You know, feel like the nature of your life. You want to like now with the party life. Forget about it, my brother. Forget about it. You don't get right for like me. You not be forced to like me. God loves me and that is all. The whole Marty day for my back. That is all. I need nobody. Can't talk for years. Say we the party. Okay, una go bring peace squad them because they carry people that come up for your side. Una go bring peace squad. Una go bring una never seen Nigerian artists that will bring them. Nigerian one can bring them. Una want to organize them for Boyano. Una begin make sure one time Boyano. Una begin snap and show and say all thing is good in Boya. They will happen for day. Una go and do your things, no problem. They will happen for day. Man no go come and cry. Man no come because my own family they tell the any man will like with the party. Una she don't play on a day. If you want come out, you will see what to make pepper do for man in hand tie put off your eye. No one can compare me for here. Say beg. Okay, you know say me when I want come online, so I not tell when I start to come online. I get right for put my number so that any man we want give on to small message. If you give a small message to him for 30 minutes, making me 1 hour. Yes, it be normal. You can't fool now. Now come out because they overlike una. They overlike una before they need the find all solution for fix the problem. For their own, I always say no, it go finish, so they go tire. Now they go tire be solution for some problem. They go tire. People they don't carry gun for 4 years. For una eye, and I say they go tire. Una don't craze. People they don't carry gun for 4 years. For una sense, they go tire. Now never know something they for back that thing. Now never know something they happen for back that thing. Maybe it not correct. It not correct because for me it not correct. 4 years, guys, and they see they with their gun there with their skin. People like that they see they una be very simple. Look am. Una never know. I tell una we dey party the talk because I go talk so the day it can't happen before now no say yes. We dey party be talk. If you don't fit talk before not do am. So Naira Marley, I'm just begging you, stay where you are. Don't come and put Mobungu. Mobungu means a trouble. Mobungu na for rock or language. Mobungu trouble for our place. Yes, you are an international artist. You can go and play everywhere. Where you are going to play is not safe. I don't want to lose my own people. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you, for God's sake. For God's sake. 5 years, for God's sake. You think I'm a fool? Me, I be devil. I the coach phobia now. But they will go vex here. Say I want challenge you. The day with Jesus go talk on my life. I go take plane go to Cameroon, they put me for prison. I say I pray die for prison. They will kill me and they will game with inside. Man fit tire for life. I don't be for Europe. I don't see people don't tire for life. I don't see people don't tire for life for this Europe. When they get all things for here, the European they tire for life. They want for live the world. The thing that also happen for our life. One day I'll just tell you, I make videos, so tell you, I say I'm going. I'll call the Atangangis, the Pobias, come to the airport and take me. Go and put me to the highest prison in the world. Now I see how they happen, tell man die. Tell man die, what did they happen after? They come, they do it. Die na die, my brother. Die na die. People they die every day. See that young boy they kill out for Bamenda. Young fine small boys, they look at the dress. They correct. Even say Naraska, they correct. They go shoot them, kill them. Then I want to make a me up for Boya. Do I want to kill a Boya? They don't have to tell who they kill them. Beginning they kill and Boya, never tell who they kill them. Then I want to una no plenty. Una no plenty. Craze. So I'm just telling you, now my number that day for day. Anyway, one corner for WhatsApp, you call because we'll get again 25 minutes to spend together. You can't have empty smelling dross. Can't have talk say now only 126 people that look you know. Look at this fool. Do you know what mean internet? Internet no regard how many people they look you. Even now one man they look you, but now the video they go rival. May any man look now the message be important. The message must carry weight. Idiot them. Roma fool the empty last people them. Quand on a fait ma vidéo. Toi, il met 1000 people. Why you can't for this in 1000 people in the Chris time? Tu ne veux pas voir tes enfants grandir. Va te faire enculer. Mes enfants grandis, il y a quoi? If there is a price to pay, let's pay it. Est-ce que moi j'ai peur de la vie? On s'en fout. C'est les gens qui viennent pleurer. Ouais, mes enfants grandissent. Grandir, c'est quoi? Celui qui ne grandit pas n'a pas grandi. Celui qui est mort est mort. On s'en fout éperdument. La mort existe. Donc, on a piqué des gens qui l'ont fait ça en Amazonia land. So, on a fait ça dans ma piqué. So, I must like another life pass. I must like another life pass another life. God says, all children are my children. And all the people who are dying are my children. I don't care. I don't care. I'm a man of dignity and collaboration. Understand? Only for you, Europe, you got many. Na Christian na it. You're not picking them. Papa will picking them. They're plenty like a dirty. Don't Christian, man. They're plenty. They're all over the world. When I go kill one of Japan, when I go kill them, it judge them. Tu ne veux pas voir tes enfants grandir. Fou. Dirty dross. No one like Pobia pass on herself. Because they don't put on small post them. Small post them. When I talk some more money, I can't talk rubbish. When I don't create on a sense. Look, I make a tell you something. Make a tell you something. This boy, when I say for you, nobody will shake this boy. The day I go vex, I'll come to Cameroon. I go to prison, I see him. Go meet all the people the one day they do for them. Maybe they just kill man one time. Which man never see again for this world? Which man never see? Better I die hero than for die zero. Than for die zero. You need some another periphery. So another periphery, and they say they don't fair fight. Now they be black leg. Now they show places where they offend their for say they go kill them. Or now for say me again, I can price of man no. They don't go for street begin there. You don't touch any fight. You don't quiet. Live your small fine life. You know instead being a different fighter. I'm saying your life, you are a fighting material. You are a fighting material. Your life is not stable. Yeah, you never stable your life because a fool it will always be a fool. Even me now, so I don't say no. I don't want year again nothing for this matter. I always should not be quiet. I don't go talk again. I don't go make a support now Pobia. I don't go ever support Pobia. I don't get nothing for doing. Nothing for doing. You hear me now? Nothing for doing. So when I get to tell all my brothers and sisters, they made them know very well. Say thing way they go on for that country, it not be correct. Because not them, they can't make this kind show them. They can't make this kind of concert. For say make tomorrow thing happen, they can't accuse me. We will not go be part of it. I already make my own video for tell and say it not go ever happen. It not go ever happen. Hello. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
The one at Cameroon, yes. Say what you know, Papa.
I did, Grandfather. I hear you talk them. You talk fine, talk.
No, I talk for all man. But come tomorrow, it don't happen. They say the name may will know. No, now they can see they don't put police and all sign. I feel say all things don't be correct. Look when gun there for some place, fear them up for the gun.
Man, that was not true. Now we will deal with down here now. We see all things. Now people will not know the talk to me. They know what's here before. They think they're not there. Okay, think they're well.
Una take care. If you be say life strong, better you come out for the place. Go any site. Go make your life for day. Because that for live for some place where anytime your life will come out, you not be safe at all for this world. You not be safe. Leave people that will fight, make they fight. And if you like you, nothing that if you ever talk with Papa for this beginning and say make they send the beginning out, make they go out. Then they send people that they won't go die. When they die, so now they cry. Then I would have losses. We don't losses.
That's so now. All man the losses. They talk of concert. Say now where the car. Who know where to the plan now?
Voila.
So as you talk, so people not even get to go attend the concert at all. People not even supposed to.
En tout cas, may they go attend now. Est-ce que I get problem? May they go attend. I don't talk. I don't see the concert. I say no. Make a talk for. I not get the guy number. I for call the guy for tell the guy face to face. Say I don't want this to happen. But anyhow we did.
No be girl, no be girl, na boy.
Na boy.
No be girl.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that photo where you see our phone, so na just some different Cameroonian artists we Then like it will perform for the show, for the guy's show.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Me, I don't know me. I've been saying now whether I don't know me them. I don't know me them. If una want organize show, better una make una show them way una no go tell no man. Una no go make no poster. Una fit invite friends them. When you make poster, you don't play that poster the reach. And when somebody don't sleep inside bush for more than 5 years, and you say na own Petife the one lucky respect. Petife the respect will come for some different way, you no find at all. And policeman way day, where you go see different man they shoot. You no go like for know whether now we go have to protect himself. You go start because no brother. You go shoot everybody for say one protect yourself. So una be very careful. Now one spirit, Perica, thank you for the call here.
Okay, Grant. Thank you too. At least be the pass the information made it go through.
Thank you. Now my Perica, the me I feel tell now. So I don't be know. I don't know whether a boy or a girl. I don't understand. Okay, if in a boy, my brother, I'm sorry. It's a pleasure. We are artists. We like to play. We like to do things. Even me, I like to play. I like to do things. But the way they're organizing this thing, maybe it's your friend who is doing it, or it's one of your relatives, or one of your family members, or one of your dumb guys. But it's not good to go out and make it there because people can die. It's just an advice I'm not trying to give to you. I'm not forcing you to not go. You can go and do it. It depends on you. You can go and do it. But it'd be better that you do something in an environment where you will feel free, where you can go and feel free. Even after playing, you can take one or two. You can play your life. But stop doing things who will annoy the guys who are in the forest, in the bushes. Because they are there. They are there looking at it. Yes. When man don't lost all things for this world, it be very dangerous. You must fear that man. When man don't lost all things for this world, you must fear that man. Because that man don't get nothing for loss again. Now I never know. When I take 4 years, no one plenty for an eye. 4 years people they continue for them, na no feel am. Na need feel am. Okay, una continue na no dey feel am. I don't tell una, and I dey continue to tell una. You are a boy or a girl, you are coming to play. You can do your concert, you can make little concert, invite people that you know, but stop doing posters. Stop doing posters. When you do posters, it drag attentions. I wanna know what it means say man don't lost all thing and then I Perica the one can lack respect. No. You not feel say waiting. Do one day they fight for Amazonia? Do one day they fight for say make they create the Amazonian land? If they create the Amazonian land, all we will still be now one citizen. Even the black left, the blue left, the yellow left, we will still be now one. We just will drive some man. They don't go drive no man. They go all will come back. Oma will come back for the same position. Even the one where they don't sell their conscience, they will still come back. Now so it dey. I need to cost no man. I need to give. I not damn no money idea. Any idea be good, but for the moment, be wise. Maybe no can use na take major rise. Be wise. Now they get me. Now be very wise. Now they be fools them. Yes, now they be fools them. I don't tell when I say na number that my one call. He call, mine no one call. Okay, now you know. Me I be feel say I don't know me the artist. I never see the artist. Okay. So now he can play. Okay, me can play. But I don't give my own advice or I give for you. If he say he get over he reason me like he colleague artist, make he reason wise. Then for can play some place people you know go even be after people you can play some place you can play in a dirty zone. You can't play in a dirty zone when you're an artist. Artist life is life and joy, feeling free, shouting. Stop provoking those who don't want to be provoked. That is what I can say. Let's say when I don't tire, when I want sleep, I want to tell this today, so I don't put number. Say any man if you call can call. Una the one of us again. Hello. Hello? A number need pass. They don't take a number get problem. Hello?
Yeah, I choose hello, Grant.
Yes, now no very good.
I'm just there for Granzio.
Ouais, ma petite frère. Ouais, Perica, il faut donner quoi t'as. Ah oui.
Can I God give power?
Na God get power, Peri Fred. Na really God get power. God na machine. Na God na the machine. But una must really take care. Una must really take care for una life. Must really take care for una life. Maybe no can blame. Maybe no can blame fool. Maybe no can blame fool. Now me say everything don't be fine. Anything can happen. And me I no want cry again. So una be very careful in life, yeah.
Yes, God.
Una be very careful.
God. I'm very happy for your thing. And for your thing the way the story. Inside the pay you forget when I sold 5. Like I'm not sure. I just come for social media to see how all the artists they compare now to Naira Marley. They do not compare reason. They say the wash and they cannot pay you with it.
They compare with you.
Say Tizi Panchakum Naira Marley. Say Naira Marley no rishi.
That one is stupidity. Some man, I say some man pass some man for this world. Any man get Italian. Now God na the game. Any man come for this world unique. Any man come for the world unique. Now only after Atuka now una no play on a day Perica them. I go make the video until that day. Now una no play on a day. Yeah, any man want carry he go put her inside smoke. Anyhow it dey na I go blind. Me I no get nothing for do again inside. Because anything will happen now when it don't happen badly, I just go buy my mimbo cash the very drink. That for making cry by the time I drunk, I just sleep me one time.
True,
Yes, no? Okay.
That kind not too much. Now so when we don't even hear that, we only just drink when I drink. That kind not too much.
Yeah, I share, Papa. I share. Take care, more take different man.
Okay, God.
Okay, take care, Papa. More take different man. Yes, more take different man. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, will you parent?
Yes, Papa, now.
No, good evening, my brother.
Evening, Papa, evening, you.
Yeah, like the show with the, I don't know whether you don't finish.
No, it did. We'll still get again, we'll say 15 minutes.
Yeah, what I want to tell you for that, as you as a musician,
yeah,
a bit away for the worry. You never get that guy contact number, introduce yourself for him, tell you what you really go on. They go understand you. They go know say you to be musician, you be complete. You know, like me go for on trap tomorrow, you go die. At least all we go to cry because that's one good star for Nigeria. They not only for Nigeria, all over the world. When you tell me, let me know my way go life for go enter except for that kind of involvement. You're not making me know. Yeah, that they when I just that kind of manipulation where they don't take one of that musician only for fully. But the show now say things they don't be fine. They just you find way. You just contact one or two friends and they'll give you a number. You call it directly. Tell it, say that the show where you take place where you take a location. I think say go here for you more better than any person.
Yes, but the fact where they inside say me I avoid thing the way people want to say now because he be jealous, now because he be no, and he go listen to message.
No, you call it personally. Now your colleague, he be Misha, you to be Misha, you be star, he to be star. Call it, talk with him. He go here for you than other person. You know if it say Messi go the jealousy for it. He get high level, you to get high level. He be international, you to be international. Call it, talk with him. He go if you want here, if you want here, leave him. The other talk people will talk, you know matter ben they call you protect it for danger. If you like your colleague, you get for tell your colleague say no, this way we want go so that's a wrong thing. And you get for no. You send a picture the way it will happen. But those picture them, it will be the same because it is so you don't know what will happen. A person will just get one kind of life where they live. And they follow you and I say I don't get a number for you call it personally. They go hear which way to tell it. All that thing I just trap with the hand put down for the boy. They buy 10 for the under 15, 20 for the under, put them for Amazonia their name. All the contribution I want to get on that.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you plenty for your contribution. Be very important. Yeah. I'll find your number calling. But any man will get this message, may call this part, send them for you. Any man will get where you listen this message, may call this part, send them for your inbox. Because no man no can talk say we the pine be talk say. Because I don't talk say. Understand what I tell you? Understand what I talk now? Okay. When I talk, I don't want to tell you. Remember, no can talk say. I don't talk my own. Any man will get the boy contact. You cut this part where the advice is, so you put them for a page. He go look him, he go see him, and they go interested. But if the BC one can play to me, can play. Est-ce que the dynamic can play? The country there, no, that amber land will remain for day. 100 upon 100 upon 100 years. Now, when they made a on land way, now all the world can live for day finish. Where people look at the land will remain until this world can end. So now the land will get that. Now the only thing that will get that. That is our goal. That is our goal. I was born in that land in 1970 something. I was born in that land in 1970 something in Banga Bakundu Health Center. Understand? Yes, I was born in that land. Yes, and I grew up by my brother fireside in Banga Bakundu. So now no can mail say the man will organize this show. He go out for mail say no, he be innocent. No, what thing they find or if you organize show. Now lie, now government is send them. Now government is send them. Perika that they tell una like life and no mutual like life. Mutual like life. Una no say when I de bam, when I de kumba, when I de boya limbe. Una no say life for calm life jabs and kind jabs and jab them all kinds of luxuries jab them. I like to work out them. The petit frère, you just say me a kind of Cameroon African stroll for that limbe which jab them. Because I overlike waiting, I overlike the job there when I waiting. Anything can happen in that place when I day for the soul. Any man with the limbe, boya, bamenda, anything can happen in your life. Just mark it today. Mark them for some book today. So anything can happen. Yes, if you vex some boy when I am in. If you vex some boy when I am, just shoot you. No go talk, no nothing. Don't done for common sense. Better she done for your house. Better she done for your house. He no go run you your house. When they go fix the problem, look at when they go fix the problem. Me, I go organize concert, free concert. I get more than 7,000 for kill them inside Moliko Stadium. 7,000. But some can chop my boys in. Everybody. But people that they get the right for arrange the problem, they get the right for arrange them. Because not them no play with the carry we go. Me, I just bring my support. How and if you ever leave my own people, then fall down. That is why when I go talk anything, the Amber boys, they get my support 100%. That one is the shake place because that one na my blood them. I no go hate no man. Yes, I no go hate no man. Maybe that they start them, they provoke them. If no, they provoke them. It don't be like you go knock stick for honey. When that honey they come off your skin. They come, that manawa, they come now very, very, very wounded. Yes, I've been lucky to be part of that land who will get manawa them. Those guys, that Amber boys, not Amber boys, they're manawa boys, manawa. Na manawa them that. Yes, na manawa boys. We're not changing, na manawa boys. When the manawa they come off your skin, that's how you feel them for your skin. Na manawa boys. No one can talk for you, say, master. The boys. They be not the small. They small jaggy. Una can bring down, say, una one member sense. Now the boys don't tell una say, water on the tip for up. The one they for down, and they go more feeler now. Now they feed the water. Now I can talk, say, now will be black leg. Foolish idiots. Cowards, dirty for granite. Coward. So I'll be black leg. You even see their video they make and sell. You see their video they make and sell. Need even 2,000 people where they look at. 2,000 people for more than 1 month. They only make video. Hey, I don't talk say. Hey, I don't talk say. Hey, I don't talk say. Hey, I don't talk. They don't call me or something. The government way he get big benefit inside the land. Why need they arrange the problem? Why need they arrange the problem? They no play with the problem come out. Why need they arrange the problem? Me now who can die for their study because me they enjoy who can like a koba them. Now lie, you know work again, idiots and fool. You know fit work again for my back. Nothing will never be the same again. Nothing will never be the same again. Because just because of this war, we don't separate. Many people they don't separate. So one day after this war, they don't ever talk again together. They don't ever meet ourselves. We'll get a long journey to go to build our land back. So for big our land ban, I say, may any man do a part for your own level. May any man end for criticate another man. Do your own part Any man do your own part. Now other part then they go form one bundle. Now it go be better. Now it go form one bundle. Manawa boys, yes, now Manawa boys now. The Amber their name now Manawa boys. Now the new name that I don't give them. Manawa boys, they badly Manawa. Hobo go na cafe, una courage. If part Jesus own. Because now Jesus will get some kind courage where they enter inside people they come to the talk for them say, my father told you this. They pass to the statement, who born this child? So now the Manawa boys, Moku add to Atanganji own system inside Manawa Boyses. Yes, now the new name that Manawa Boyses. Now the new name that we don't get a new name. Any matter than we say Manawa Boyses. Manawa Boyses. Manawa Boyses. Manama. Do I say Manama? No, not Manama. Manawa Boyses. Thank mama. Manawa Boyses. That one Atanganji you can call and say Manawa Boyses. Bamenda is Meme division. Even me want no go school. Even me want no go school. So can't error then they want if you do have. Sometimes better matter for pidgin than for go become prognose. When I want to talk good English, I really time so that when I talk the good English, may over error not be inside. Can't talk voices and guesses, dances inside the voices. Manawa voices. Voila. Amber boys that they don't change from today. They call the boys the name Manawa voices. Manawa voices. Voila. The bad pass Manawa voices. So my brother, my Nigerian artist. I know say you go look this my video. I will be in Nigeria, we will meet and I will tell you why I'm doing this video because it means a lot to me and we have a lot of things to do. So if you had my video, I'm sorry that you have to reason enough. You cannot go and provoke those people in that site. Yeah, your music is good, people love it, but don't go. Don't go. When things will be better, me myself, I will invite you and I will pay for it, okay? I will pay for it and you come and play in a better, cool area, better, cool weather. But now, the wind is not too good in Buea. And I don't want to lose boys and girls. I love my people so much that I don't want them to die. We have lost enough of those people. So that was the last call. That was the last Manawa Voices. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow we'll continue Manawa Voices. For the moment, I want to make una stay fine, make una stay well, make una really stay fine. I like una very much. But say for the moment, I get time. I get right for leave una now. Make I go. I get right for go. Yes, una take care. I don't understand 1 hour anytime I get time. But it be like say I surprise some people them. So it go mean and say before I want come live show, I will try for announcer. Make people them be aware for my live show. Una take care of una self. Perika for down quarter, Perika for ground zero. Una be very, very wise with una life, Perika. I don't want to cry again. Love una.